Today, we're putting two members of the Volkswagen Group head-to-head, the SEAT Arona and the Škoda Kamiq. They may share the same platform, the MQB-A0, but their personalities couldn't be more different. One is bold, youthful, and sporty. The other is calm, refined, and practical. So, which one truly deserves your attention? Let's find out. At first glance, the SEAT Arona screams energy and confidence. Sharp lines, aggressive front grills, and two-tone paint options make it stand out in any city street. It's clearly aimed at younger drivers who love a dynamic look. The Škoda Kamiq, on the other hand, is more mature and elegant. It carries Škoda's signature simply clever design, clean, structured, and functional. If the Arona is the extrovert, the Kamiq is the calm professional. Subtle, but undeniably premium. Under the hood, both models offer similar engine options. A 1.0-liter TSI turbo with 95 or 110 horsepower. A 1.5-liter TSI producing 150 horsepower. And in some markets, diesel or CNG variants. But they feel very different on the road. The SEAT Arona has a firmer suspension setup, giving you sharper handling and a sportier feel in corners. The Škoda Kamiq goes the opposite way, offering a softer, more comfortable ride, perfect for long drives or city commuting. So, if you like to feel the road, go for the Arona. If you prefer a smooth, effortless ride, the Kamiq is your friend. Step inside, and you'll notice their personalities again. The Arona offers a vibrant interior, colorful accents, ambient lighting, and a modern cockpit. It feels youthful and expressive. The Kamiq focuses on practicality and space. Its cabin is wider, materials feel slightly more premium, and rear passengers enjoy more legroom. Both offer 10.2 5-inch digital clusters, 9.2-inch infotainment systems, and full support for Android Auto and Apple CarPlay. So once again, Arona feels fun and sporty, while Kamiq feels relaxed and refined. When it comes to safety, both SUVs deliver top-tier Volkswagen Group tech. You get adaptive cruise control lane, assist, front assist, with emergency braking parking sensors and rear-view cameras. However, the Kamiq stands out with Škoda's famous, simply clever touches, like the umbrella in the door, hidden storage spaces, and integrated puddle lights under the mirrors. In terms of price, the SEAT Arona starts at around 24,000 euros, while the Škoda Kamiq begins at about 25,500 euros in most European markets. So, what's the verdict? If you want a dynamic, sporty, and youthful crossover, go for the SEAT Arona. If you prefer a comfortable, practical, and family-friendly SUV, the Škoda Kamiq is the smarter choice. Both share Volkswagen's solid build quality, reliable engines, and excellent technology. So, whichever you choose, you're in good hands. Which one would you pick, Arona or Kamiq? Tell us in the comments. And don't forget to subscribe for more exciting car comparisons right here on our channel.